guys, it's Blackie and welcome back to the channel. Okay, I want to share a little technique with you because I had somebody ask about it, and it's how to roll up a U.S. Army poncho for a quick deploy rain gear. Okay, now this is a standard U.S. Army poncho, and what we wanted to do is I want to be able to pull it out of the pack and just go and not have any muss or fuss to get it out quickly. When it's going to be sudden inclement weather, where especially down here in my south, we have big trees and stuff, and a lot of times you can't see a whole lot of the sky. And we'll have, especially in the early part of the year, we'll have thunderstorms. You'll hear thunder all the time, but it's not coming to you, it's just going by. Sometimes you'll hear thunder and then you can hear the rain on the trees, like a water pouring out of the bucket. It's coming. You have just a minute or two before you're about to get wet. And so I will have a poncho rolled up in a certain way to be able to get it. Now, what we're going to do is this. First thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure your hood is not tied and it's open and loose so you can put your head in it quickly. Okay? I prefer to put it where the drawstring is to the inside as opposed to being on the outside. Your personal preference. Okay? I prefer it on the inside. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the middle grommet. So there's the hood. Straight down on the end, there's a grommet, and straight down on this end, you will have the other grommet. Okay? Double it in half with the hood straight like that. Now I'm going to come in half, like that. I'm going to run down this edge, and you're going to have all four of the corners. So there's a corner, there's the next corner, there's the next corner, there's the next corner. Get a hold of these. These are going to become the important part. Now, let me lay it down and show you how to roll it up. Here are my four corners, right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it down away from me, and I'm going to fold it over about a hand's width. Fold it over again, about a hand's width. Fold it over one last time, so it's about even. Now there on the outside are my four corners right there. I'm going to take this part, fold underneath, so it's even on the end. Okay, let me show you that again. Do the cut of the poncho, this is going to be a little bit short from the end. I'm going to take it, open it up, fold this in, fold it back. Roll it so that's to the bottom. Okay? Now I'm going to tightly roll this up. Tight as I can squeeze it in there. Keeping it as even as I can as I go. Let the air squeeze out of it. Okay, now I've got it rolled, and as you can see here on the outside are my four corners. Okay? That means this is the outside, two in the middle, and then the outside. I'm going to take the two in the middle, and I'm just going to fold them over back inside so I have the two outer corners, this one and this one, to the outside. The reason I do that is when I pull this out, I'm going to have a bushcraft zip tie to hold this in place. When I come out with it, I'm going to grab these two grommets and go outward with them, and that will instantly deploy the whole tarp. It will drop down, unroll, unfurl out, and be ready for me to roll it up over my head. Let me show you that. Taking my hat off. So I grab the two grommets. I let go and go in opposite. Get a hold of that. Stretch like that. Okay? And go straight over the top and straight on, just like that. So it's straight out and roll it straight over you, and you got it on instantly. Quick and easy. Whenever you're needing this to be a sudden rain cover, being able to put it on quickly where you're not having to fuss and muss with it, especially may have wind or whatever. But by doing that, I know where my two corners are. I grab it and just go straight out. It will drop, unfurl, and I'm holding it flat in front of me, and I'll just go straight over my head, and I'm wearing it in one motion, quick and easy. It's sort of a quick deploy rain tarp that way. Practice it yourself, and you'll figure out all these little tricks. It's just a way to roll it so it unrolls easily and smoothly in quick deploys. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you have, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Until next time, guys, I'm Blackie, wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.